so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with
भाई मैं चाहती हूँ ये ब्लॉग का पार्ट हो
ना
भाई आई सो वांट शिट ये बहुत गलत जगह टिका तेरी तेरे
टाइम पास कर रहे हो भाई
इसे टिका भाई
पारिवारिक लोग वाले लोगों इसको जगाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ।
सब बड़ा बड़ा इस पर लिखा था ना एक्स्ट्रा वॉल्यूम, अगर नहीं दिया ना इसने मुझे एक्स्ट्रा वॉल्यूम मुंह पे फेंक के आऊंगी इसके। रात के बज रहे 4, मैं मेकअप कर रही हूँ और ये डांस कर रही है। Beauties, welcome to Live with Kanak. I'm going to Riga, Latvia. पता नहीं किसकी बाप की बारात में जाना है मुझे, सुबह लाइनें लगा रही हूँ मैं।
मेरी बारात में जाना है।
किसके बाप की बोला
ना भाई मेरे बाप के में पैदा हो चुके हैं पहननी है बस कान
हमने बाल खराब कर दिए गाइस। गाइस क्या करेंगे इसमें? कट गए
लोग में डालेंगे।
Dude, I'm telling you that I am terrified right now. I mean, I know it's Germany and I know that nothing wrong can happen with me right now, right here, but because I have to like catch my train from the Hauptbahnhof like in 1 hour, and this is the only tram that we have in that time frame. There's literally no one but just some cars and some people who just, I think, oh, there's a taxi. भाई मुझे कोई शर्म नहीं आ रही है बोलने में कि मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा है। ये घड़ी आगे क्यों नहीं बढ़ रही है यार? तब तो 7 मिनट दिखाया जा रहा है बैन के टके। सॉरी। फाइनली आई मेड इट और जैसे तैसे मैं आ गई हूँ बानोफ एंड आई मेट माई फ्रेंड्स ऑलरेडी। सबसे पहले ये मिला है मुझे, थैंक गॉड। यार मेरे बैंक्स तो बहुत ही गंदे लग रहे हैं, अच्छे लग रहे हैं तो यस। So I've reached here and we're waiting for the others and then we'll go to the station and grab the train to Hamburg and then we will go to Flughafen. Very German, English, some mix. So like I'm mixing both the languages. Okay, so we have left from our beloved Bremen Hauptbahnhof and I don't know why I'm so full of energy, but I am because I just drank the shittiest drink ever, but I like it. It's fine. I lost my font, I dropped it in the bin, but it's good. It's not letting me focus. I forgot whatever I was trying to talk about, but we are going to Riga. कहाँ जा रहे हो? सुबह 4 बजे हैम्बर्ग की बस नहीं, क्या है ये? ट्रेन पकड़ते हुए आपको शर्म नहीं आती? नींद नहीं आती? थकान नहीं होती? Okay, you have much
Inspired by you.
Heavier luggage.
Inspired by you.
I have only 5 kg. Hey, what you laughing at? What you laughing at? So we have reached Hamburg Hauptbahnhof and these are my friends. Hi. Flight is at 8:30 and stay tuned for more updates. Shut up. Okay, this is the worst part. Like this one. So I have to Sarah. Okay, so we finally met Sarah here. Good morning. Yes. So everyone is here. Now we have to wait for our flight and then Latvia, here we come. Yes. So I hope this trip is adventurous, but not as adventurous as Berlin, because I literally lost my phone there and I don't want. That's why I have this with me. And yes, so yeah, I think it's gonna be a good adventure, and I have a positive feeling because I was really like, I didn't sleep all night, and I was really in a very good mood. I am, and I feel I'm manifesting only good things. So let's just hope for the good, because I really don't want anything pathetic to happen to me once again. So yes, let's hope for the good, and see you soon. मैं ट्रिप पे निकलूँ और मेरा मूड ख़राब ना वैसा हो ही नहीं सकता. It's just, you know, it's not possible that I'm traveling and I don't lose something. They made me throw an entire bottle of Victoria's Secret's perfume and lotion, which was my mistake. Yes, I shouldn't have kept it in my cabin, but they could have shown some mercy. I mean, I just bought it last month. यार बहुत दुख हुआ मुझे. I'm heartbroken while throwing them. Every time I'm traveling, I'm losing something. I'm really not in a good mood right now. That was my favorite. And also, on top of that, they don't have any Victoria's Secret shop here, like not in the duty free, which is crazy. I mean, you know what I feel? Every time I'm happy, there's always someone, you know, who's like, why is she happy? Is it the universe? Maybe, I don't know. But God, this is crazy. I am happy for like one moment. Please let me stay happy. I hope not to lose anything else now, but is it just the beginning? No, Kanak, you can't do that. Keep smiling. Air Baltic, that's mine. Let's go before I miss my flight and lose that as well. Finally, boarding. Welcome to Riga. It's cold, guys. It's cold, and I haven't brought my summer clothes. Sorry, winter clothes. I forgot. Yeah. Hello, Professor. Professor looks warm. Okay, I should not take random people. Super sleepy, like super sleepy. I should have slept at least a bit last night, and I regret it. I really do, because when you're traveling, you have to forget about everything else, I guess. But just looking forward to these people, that they will allow some time to sleep, because they should. But who's gonna listen to me? I mean, no one. I know that for sure. Well, this is the only time when I think that I need men in my life. You see, the bag is clean.
Essential stuff.
Yes.
Each
Perfect.
person one map, please.
So we got the 5-day ticket the professor gave us, and it's gonna help us throughout, you know, the tram station. So when you come to Riga, you can get a 3 or 5-day ticket, and this is just in euros. Can you believe that? Riga is better than Bremen, at least. Yeah. Fighting over rooms, and I've already reserved like the biggest one, and I think let's see what's going outside. There's so many fights over beds and rooms and this and that. We have this room, Like, we're gonna be like 3 girls here, and we compromise because I always compromise. Okay. Doing so. This is how the apartment looks. Hi, Samira.
Okay, bye.
This is the restroom. That's me. Guys are insisting me. That's the only reason why I'm doing this. Don't touch me. The first time in the history, the girls are ready. We are literally waiting for the boys. Why? Because they're getting ready. I don't know what they're doing. Really don't know. Let's ask them. Hey, are you still not ready? See? Not ready. Not a single guy is ready. And we all are ready. So we're leaving them behind. Bye, guys. Okay, finally we left that apartment and they're making too much noise, so I can't vlog. So, yes, all formal, and we are going to attend a meeting. It's a formal meeting, and I don't know kaisi hone wali hai, but I really hope it's good. And for the product that we are going to develop here, the main reason why we are here, and I hate how my hair looks like right now, but still, I'm fine with it because it's anyway the formal meeting, so yeah, stop doing that. So, guys, I need to talk. Okay, so after that meeting, we're going to have lunch, or maybe first we have lunch and then we go to the meeting. But whatever it is, I'm super tired, and yeah. So yes, let's go to the lunch, and then. Also, why do I have my hair in my mouth?
Because you are hungry, that's why.
Yes, that's true. I'm super hungry. I'm hangry because of these guys, because they can't get ready on time because all the girls were ready and they were not ready, and all the boys are serious enough. But they're nice. They're very good. And मैं 5 मिनट में शार लेती हूँ, guys. You don't know anything about me, literally. So yeah, also love my nails. Yeah. Okay. So something really interesting, and I need a picture. I've wished everyone for something, and I'll show you what's that something. Like, they are going to find out some restaurants for us so that we can eat because we're super hungry. But I'm going to ditch them for something that I am hungry for, and I'll show you what's that. Where is it? Oh, there. Okay, I'll show you. Let's find Naruto. God, my baby. Oh, we have Kakashi. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Oh my god. Let's look at Sakura, man. Oh my god.
Yeah, that for sure, yeah. Because we have also, of course, the Riga airport is a really large hub, and if I remember it correctly.
After a whole bunch of information from the meeting, we are out, and look at this guy. Oh, what a life, bro.